Hello friend, in this video we will learn about the electric vehicle but in the question and answer format. So if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the updated videos from Mechanical Design Adda. So let's start the video. So our first question is, how many types of electric vehicles? So there are 4 types of electric vehicle. First is battery electric vehicle, hybrid electric vehicle, plug-in hybrid electric vehicle and fuel cell electric vehicle. What is hybrid electric vehicle? So the hybrid electric vehicle are run by internal combustion engine in coexistence with the electric motor, so which receives the power from the electric battery. So here the IC internal combustion engine, IC engine and the electric motor both are in working. So in hybrid electric vehicles means they have the great fuel efficiency with the power and with the range for the traditional vehicle. So what is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle? So here some little bit changes there. In the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, it is run by both internal combustion engine and with the electric motor that is powered by the battery. So here the vehicle will operate on the electric motor till the power ends, okay, and next it switches to the internal combustion engine. So the vehicle will run firstly on the battery, means with the electric motor, and if the power is end, then it is run with the internal combustion engine as usual. Okay, what is fuel cell electric vehicle? So the fuel cell electric vehicle operates on the electricity that comes from the oxygen and the compressed hydrogen. Oh, okay, when some chemical reactions happen inside that hydrogen tank, and after that we will get the electricity, and we will use that electricity and to run the motor and to run the vehicle. So here the exhaust or the release is the water and heat. So that complete system emits the or release the water and heat as the release product, okay, in the fuel cell electric vehicle. Next question is, which type of electric motors are used in electric vehicle? So the common motor used in the electric vehicles are induction motor, brushless DC motor and the permanent magnet synchronous motor. Who invented the first electric vehicle? Anios Henlik, a Hungarian inventor, invented the first electric vehicle in 1828, and he built the motor to operate the electric train using the electric current from the battery. So what is brushless DC motor? So the brushless DC electric motor are electric motor that are supplied by direct current voltage source and are accumulated electrically rather than using the brushes as in a normal DC motor. So in the normal DC motor we have the brushes inside the motor, and here there is no brushes. Here it is directly accumulated with the DC supply, or you can say high voltage supply. So with the high voltage supply only this motor will run, and it will turn the wheel. What are the main components of the electric vehicle? So there are number of components in the electric vehicle. So we will discuss here the major component. Like a major component is a battery is there, means high voltage battery is there. So high voltage battery is there, and one low voltage battery also there, that is 12 volt battery, or you can say 24 volt battery also there for running the auxiliary system. Okay, DC converter is there. Okay, thermal cooling systems is there to cool the battery, to cool the electronic system, and one power control system is there. We can say that power electronics controller is there, onboard charger is there, transmission is there, electric motor is there, and hydrogen tank is there in case of the hydrogen fuel electric vehicle. What is DC-DC converter? So in the name you can see that the DC-DC converter means here it converts direct current to the direct current, but the high frequency direct current to the low frequency direct current. So why we need the low frequency current? Because to run the vehicle accessory we need the low current, okay, low frequency direct current. So for that purpose we need the DC-DC converter. So the DC-DC converter, it converts the high voltage, means a high voltage, or means you can say high frequency direct current to the low frequency direct currents. Why lithium batteries used in the electric vehicle? So if you see in the for the electric vehicle, most of the electric vehicle using the lithium-ion battery, because the lithium-ion battery having the greater energy per unit mass, means in the small mass it can store the large energy, okay. So as compared to any other energy storage system, so lithium-ion batteries can store in the in the small space you can store the large energy. So that's why here in the electric vehicle that battery space is a major role, okay. So for that the lithium-ion battery, it is means it can store the maximum energy in the less space. What is an electric vehicle battery management system? So in the name you can see that battery and the management system. So for related with the battery, that managing stuff is there, that comes under the battery management system, okay. So generally we means in the short form we can say BMS, okay. So that BMS plays a crucial role in the electric vehicle because it's required to monitor and maintain the battery pack for appropriate uses, okay. And you can see the key responsibility of BMS, like cell balancing. The battery pack is protected against the overcurrent, over voltage, and under voltage, and the circumstances are there, and monitoring the temperature and isolating the BMS if it rises beyond the certain threshold, okay. Some monitoring current, voltage, and like a state of charge, state of health, and effective charging is there or not, and discharging is there or not. This all comes under the battery management system. So the battery management system, this unit completely manage the battery, okay. That like checking the all the related data of the battery, like cell balancing. Maybe you can say the cell balancing, it is the process of balancing the state of charge and the voltage of each cell, means checking the health of each cell, okay. So that it plays the major role in the electric vehicle, that is battery management system. Why the electric vehicles more expensive than the fuel engine? The straightforward answer is because of the lithium-ion battery only. So the lithium-ion battery is the expensive component in the electric vehicle, okay. So how long will it take to charge the electric vehicle battery pack? Generally 30 to 40 minutes it will take to charge the 80% of the complete battery pack when you are using the fast charging station, okay. If the fast charging station is available, you can charge the 80% of the complete battery pack within 30 to 40 minutes. What is C rating of the battery in the electric vehicle? So C rating is nothing but the how quickly your battery is discharged from its full capacity, okay. That denotes the C rating of that battery. So friend, that's it for this video. If you like this video, you can share with your colleague, with your friend this valuable information. And if you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe the channel, of course. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.